Welcome guys to the Crochet Bits channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to crochet a circle and not in rounds but in rows. I have seen a couple of requests asking how to crochet a circle in rows, and here I am. I want to show you how to do it. Start with a slip knot. I'm using today for this tutorial Karen Simply Soft yarn and 3.5 millimeters crochet hook. Start with slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and plus one more chain, so in total chain 7. Into the second chain from hook make an increase, so make 2 single crochet. Then make 1 single crochet in next 4 chains, and into the last chain again make an increase 2 single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Again at the beginning make an increase 2 single crochet, then make 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches, and into the last stitch again increase. One and 2. Row number 3, turn, 2 single crochet in first stitch, then 1 single crochet in next 8 stitches, and into the last stitch again increase 2 single crochet. Chain 1, turn, we go on making increases. Row number 4, 2 single crochet in first stitch, then 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches, and 2 single crochet in last stitch. Chain 1, turn. Row number 5, again 2 single crochet in first stitch, then 1 single crochet in next 12 stitches, and 2 single crochet into the last stitch. Row number 6, again make an increase into the first stitch, then 1 single crochet in next 14 stitches, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. Now next 2 rows we will crochet without increases, just 1 single crochet in each stitch, in total 16. Sorry, in total 18. So row number 7 and row number 8. No increases here. Chain 1, turn, and row number 8, the same 18 single crochet. Row number 9, we will make increases here, 2 single crochet in first stitch, then 1 single crochet in next 16 stitches, and 2 single crochet at the end into the last stitch. That's what we have. Now row number 10, 11 and 12, go on making 1 single crochet in each stitch, in total 20. Here I am, that's what I have, and from this point, from row number 13, we will start making decreases. How to make a decrease? Insert the hook into the first stitch, draw up a loop, insert the hook into the second stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Now 1 single crochet in next 16 stitches, and at the end 2 more stitches, make decrease again. Draw up a first loop, the second loop, and when you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Chain 1 purl, and next 2 row go on crocheting without decreases. One single crochet in each stitch. In total 18. Finish this row and then one more. Okay, now we are going to repeat this part until we have 6 stitches. So chain 1, turn, make a decrease. Now it's row number 16. After that, one single crochet in next 14 stitches, if I'm not mistaken. Just go on crocheting until you have 2 stitches. And when you have 2 stitches, sorry, I lost this point. When you have 2 stitches, make a decrease. 1, 2, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Great. Chain 1, turn, row number 17. Start with decrease again. Now make 12 single crochet, 1 single crochet in next 12 stitches. And at the end, make decrease again. Pull tight here, please. The tail, draw up a loop, and pull through all 3 loops. Chain 1, turn. Again, row number 18, decrease, then 1 single crochet in next 10 stitches and decrease at the end. So go on making until you have 6 stitches. Here I am, that's what I have. I have 6 stitches now, and I did the last decrease here. And now we will work around the circle. Chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each row around the circle. So if you don't see holes, then go on crocheting around. If you don't like something, just unravel and start again. Here I'm trying to pick up loops, so the hole will not be that visible. The same here. Here it is. Please go on crocheting. When you reach the bottom part, just make one single crochet in each stitch here. And go on crocheting one single crochet in each row. That's what I have. Please go on and finish the circle. Here I am. Now let's cut the yarn, leaving tail. And here I want to show you how to join the first and the last stitch. So just insert the needle underneath the first stitch and then insert the needle into the center of the last stitch. And here it is, we have done an invisible join. Weave in ends and you are done. And cut the tail. That's it, guys. The circle is ready. Look at this. I like the result. I hope you like it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. And do not forget to check the written instruction on my blog. I wish you all a good day and see you soon in my next video tutorials. Bye!